Aw, Grandpa's first hang and bang. I'm a grandpa, and I take on the biggest, baddest, meanest roller coasters in all the land to see if I'm still up to engaging in such nonsense. Today I'm at Lagoon taking on the Bat. The Bat, a Vekoma family suspended coaster. These are designed to be family coasters, fun for all. But they have a reputation for treating your skull like they're trying to steal your lunch money. And if the defining feature of a roller coaster is headbanging, that's not a good selling point. Maybe, rather than watching me suffer, we should lean into something more pleasant, like technical reading. Programming Python. Programming Python, Chapter 1. This book is about using Python, a high-level, object-oriented... Oh, no? You'd rather see me put myself in harm's way on a bad roller coaster for your entertainment? Tough crowd. First bang coming out of the station. That's great. There goes nothing. Yep, one and done. Okay, yeah. So that exists. And I wrote it. So I have a credit. And we're done. Oof. Did I have anything positive to say? Fortunately, it is not forceless and the banging wasn't too severe. So I'm not starting off with a headache, but yeah, underwhelmed. As a small-time YouTuber, hoping to make the move up to being a medium-time YouTuber, I recognize that it involves sacrifice. That I must set aside my own interests to serve you, my moderately interested fans. I ride the good rides, yes, but I also ride the not-so-good rides. Humbly, self-sacrificially, all for your information and entertainment. Nah, I'm just gunning for likes, so help an old man out, will ya? Give me a like. Thanks. Anyway, let's see how this review turned out. Whew. This is gonna be a rough review. So, let's just get on with it. Let's get this video over with. Thrill factor. 1 out of 5 firecrackers. And that's only because it does kind of have some roller coastery sensations. Pain factor, we're gonna go 3 ibuprofen. 3.5. We're gonna go 3.5 ibuprofen for pain. Actually, we're gonna go a couple of Excedrin for pain because it's head banging. But yeah, just too much head banging. And for fun, I did not have any fun whatsoever. I am gonna give this the dreaded 0 out of 5 bats. So because it's 0, there's no icon. But it's 0 out of 5 bats. I did not have fun, and it was unpleasant. Okay, it's a family coaster. It's not supposed to be big on thrills. But that makes the painful ride all the more unpleasant. I had low expectations, and somehow the Bat still disappointed me. But hey, there's good news. We have hit the bottom of the Lagoon barrel. There is nowhere to go but up. Until then, This is Grandpa signing off and reminding you, gravity keeps trying to knock me down, but I'm not falling for it.